Hey folks, in today's video we're going to be doing some more weed whacker troubleshooting, and today we're going to be talking about a weed whacker head that's not spinning. We're going to be going through some of the possible causes, and there are around 4 of them that might be causing this not to happen. So number one, the throttle cable. Many times that throttle cable gets loose from the carburetor, so when you press the throttle trigger, nothing happens. It's not getting any gas. Number two, your gearbox head might be damaged. Yeah, it happens over time with wear and tear, or if you didn't maintain it properly. Some of these weed whackers have a little plug on the side where you put your grease in. But anyways, in that case, you would have to loose these. For my weed whacker, it's a Stihl brand, so this tool will work in most cases. Loose these two little screws, pop it off, and inspect that gear head. If you see any pieces of metal in there, it means that it's damaged and you need to replace it. And while you're at it, go ahead and inspect that shaft, that drive shaft. So many times the drive tube gets damaged, and so when it starts spinning, nothing pretty much happens. So yeah, the last one is that clutch. You know, sometimes that clutch gets damaged, and wear and tear again, and you're going to have to go on this side. So if you unloose these screws, you're going to get access to that clutch, and then you can see what's going on there. But for most weed whacker, it's pretty much the same. You're going to have to inspect these things and then replace whatever part needs to be replaced, or maybe sometimes the clutch might just need a little bit of WD-40. So that's about it. And one final tip: whenever you get this thing on and you get your replacement, you stick it up there, make sure that it's rested all the way down there, because if it doesn't, this won't spin. Okay, so you got to make sure that gearbox head is connected with that drive shaft. Alrighty, so I guess that pretty much sums it up. I hope this video was useful. Until next time.